So hi everyone, this is Saurabh and welcome back to our another video. This video's main motto is for jailbreaking iPad Mini 4. Now you can see this, I have a iPad in my hand. Now let's start with the process, and before that you need to make sure that you are if you are going to use the Windows systems, so you need to make sure that your Windows firewall is disabled, because when you run the WinRa1n software, I'm actually using the WinRa1n tool to jailbreak this, and it will block your tool. And before starting, and make sure that you have to install two mandatory software, that is iTunes and iMagines. And so let's start. Now I'm going to connecting my iPad with system. You can see it's connected, and now you can see here the status is jailbroken and symbol is no. The status of jailbroken is no. iMagine is detected, and after when I will do a jailbroken, you will see here it will says as no. Right now it says as no. After jailbreaking successfully, you will get the jailbreaking status is yes. Okay, so let's start the process. Now I'm going to use the WinRa1n, and if you download the WinRa1n zip, so you will get Apple mobile device support, so you need to install this also. And there is one UsbDk or driver that you have to install. This it is mandatory. And now let's start the process. It will ask me to run. Yes, I'll allow. Again, user access control pop-up is come. Let's say yes. Now it is checking my connected device, and yes, it detected my device iPad Mini 4, and I'm using the Palera1n method. So first you need to do what, like check on the UsbDk and then fix the driver. If any issues in the driver, so it will automatic install. Just wait for a moment. Now it means it has detected zero error, so let's start. Now clicking next. Now my device is going into a recovery mode. The process started. See, my device is in recovery mode. Now it has some guidance, like if I need to click on the start, and then I need to go for DFU mode, driver firmware update, and for that I need to follow this instruction. Okay, let's click on start. I'm following the instruction. Just wait a moment. See, the process is running. And here you can see this, it's all done. And let's click on all done. iPad is jailbreaking or not. Trust this. So see, our Palera1n software is coming, and the new term Celio, Filza. It means we have successfully jailbreaking our device. And okay, so I'm going to checking in the imagine status. So you can see here jailbreaking status is yes. It means our iPad device is successfully jailbroken. So yeah, thank you.